time to set this up. It's been a long time coming. Right.
Yes, thanks, how are you?
Ta 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 ta. Right.
Yeah, I'm busy on that little work then. Yes, because no, that's, I thought I'd ring in there because it just, So.
Let's unwrap it. Oh. Instructions. You literally just plug it in. Oh, that's on. Oh. I thought this was going to be a bit more difficult. Where'd you fit it? To the... You don't have a marker on it. Fill up the water reservoir with... Where's the water reservoir? Is it at the back? Oh yeah. Right. How do you take this out? Oh no, that's the thing. Surely you can take this out. No? Yeah, surely. Out? Can you take it out? Come on, Bex, let's do a thing. We can do this. No, that's the spinny thing, isn't it? That's the thing that spins on. No, you can't take it out. Right. Dad! Fill this up with water, please. Give him a job. We won't give him that. Oh. Maybe I'll just give him that to fill up. I'll just give you that to fill up.
Right.
And then I'll put it in my thing.
Hey?
Then I'll put it in my thing.
How far do I have to just fill it?
Just fill it up. Insert the filter assembly into position. That's the filter. Oh yeah, max. So you put the coffee in there then. Coffee. Let's get his coffee. Just take my shoes off.
Yeah.
Thank you. Don't spill it, Bex. Oh, look at that. Right. Right. That's full of water, so we put that back in there. We'll get some coffee. Huh. So he likes to stop at Starbucks. So I got Starbucks coffee. Oh, that's quite snazzy. Right. Ooh, it smells like Starbucks. It's the best present ever. If If this works, I'll be so chuffed with myself. Let's put 3 cupfuls in. Ha! Right. Put that there. Now what? Let's just close this. Did that work like that? I don't know. If I turn it on, what will it do? The appliance will start working. Maybe if I start it up, it'll go a bit quicker. Let's try that. This is my situation right now. No way, it's doing something. I did a thing. No, it's put. No, I did it. I did a thing. Actually steaming and everything. Look at that. That's quite snazzy. I want one. I might steal it off Dad. Now all we have to do is taste it and see if it actually tastes like Starbucks. Wonder how long we have to wait. I won't fill it right up, I just want to taste. It's actually working! Look! Right, so I'm just waiting for it to stop and then I'm going to taste it, but I don't have any milk. So we're just going to put some sugar in it. And we're just going to taste it. And then if all goes well, I'll buy him some milk. How long do you have to wait for it to stop? What about if I just take it out? Will it stop? Oh, it stops. Look at that! I made coffee! It's really hot as well. Right, cup. Got this from Pimp Trucks. Matches Volvo. Ready? Look at that. It tastes like Starbucks. That's quite clever. So, when I put the thing back in, it starts dripping down again. So when you take the cuppy thing out, like the juggy thing, it like stops the dripping. I don't like black coffee. Needs milk. But it tastes like coffee. Works! I did a thing!